When Ezekiel prophesied to these dry bones, they began to rattle, so they began to move, right? Movement returned before life did. So repentance is that ruffle. When we realize that we're sinning, when we realize that we're going astray, and we now gather ourselves, that is like the bones rattling. It's the sound of motion returning to what is still been too long that had stopped to move. So the prophetic call for us now is that we have to allow the wind of repentance to blow through our lives, through our valleys, through our ups, through our downs, and we have to allow movement to return to us, right?